turang na marami taro kina manali. Kumlalay, rumada singamoni ti ena bulan December. Pom nakat siguro na best.
New week, new day, Chesa. New week, new day.
Yes, new day.
Right.
Pom nakat siguro na best pilay kina pudis crackers.
Hey.
Kasi may kemne sinan kwa. Abi bulan nakat ti all. Pasibak.
Singamoni ti ko niyan rabina kani mata bina turang na marami taro borong manelewa. Datulong kan mortak. Tatakan mo sa te blue itu puna. Karay.
Hey, to all the friends and family around the world, I've been growing up in Australia, New Zealand, Australia, and America. Oh yeah.
Bana biro mo coba lamani basi taxi.
Muna na kami tulikan na multimingon na basi na ben.
Anda coy anda pernah kecil.
Muna na ko.
Tuki. Iya.
Hey.
Ada benar ke saya. Tolong benar. Buruk tuh lebih ada benar kak. Coba nggak ada benar kak.
Mama Nuba. Castaway. Iblis sumalala muna na ko.
Coba nggak ada benar kak.
Muna siya may penalebu tayo.
Ya sama lo
Malo
Ada jari ada benar kak. Rokok ong memilih. Kulau tu pun wana nau. Ada benar kalian di munia ngak korbo telebu.
Tumulong na ko.
Damo nang Korea.
Wala.
Ada benar kak anti ada benar kak Ben. Isa. Wilmon dapat buka dua benar kata may Grace. Ada benar kata Grace kita bubale ada benar lebih uti magi. Ada benar kawati ratabo kita mata bubale na mata kita hindai.
Kate.
Satu semua malu orang ngau satu boleh cuci nasi nama kiri sikri sutu ya namanya mungkin go. Alumni tu bolau ada benar kajeri dawai. Drobe ngul si manta benar boleh usara.
Boleh. Kira-kira ekonomi ya boleh video.
Ada benar keceli. Kurea tu pun kurea wana na buano. Salmone mo kalau udah naka pedeliti kon dua bola nako tai.
Tumula.
Seru tu tahu may kalakana tu ada may kalakana lami. Dar berada kat mana seseorang yang berada kat mana boleh kena nonton nomi sabu. And a hidden paradise of Fiji, ada benar.
Oh yes. Me for you.
Huh?
And you me.
I belong you. Ada benar kak. Udah kecil sih, bukan rumah itu mantan pakai happy birthday Allen pakai suka bosnya nanggali, namanya mai tebu ngelai telebu, mantan pakai boni bulu kan, mantan mau pakai happy birthday buat, mantan di kuah, Allen pakai suka bosnya nanggali.
Alena, if you're watching right now, bulab naka. And happy birthday to you, and I hope you'll enjoy your birthday from your family and what they'll provide to you.
Warna pokoknya bilang kita sama kamu. Bobby bin na biro nomi mana bubala tiko ta family mana bosai era matali ko chese bagan naman ta tutol ma kus ka biro ka dawre borong su mana bisi biti bisi buru tumuna.
A big bulabinaka to everybody that are listening to the VTFM and watching from the Outpalang show. And wherever you are watching it, you're sitting down or in the vine, I don't know. A big bulabinaka, and today is Monday, a new day. And we hope that you'll enjoy what you will be doing today.
Right.
Sweeping the house or in the garden or in the farm. A big bulabinaka to you all, and hope that you'll love your day today.
Okay, chantanin ko senta ko tiko, para tiko may live job.
Yes.
Siguro mo tabi chantani. Maganda siguro man may batoto.
Hey, chantani. See, you wake up or you'll come there and wake you up with one bucket of water.
Okay, alright. Doon na itututo ko bigyan daw na matalo ko. Alright. And ayaw nga may nanomin dobi-dobi ko. Dobi-dobi kaka. And ayaw nga may nanomin dobi-dobi kaka na. And a level in domi Timothy.
Hey, Timothy, you'll finish your thumb.
Finish like what?
You'll finish your thumb like that tongue you have.
Yeah, bunat. Okay, dongo. Sama-sama pa kanto na suining bulmakau ni Rosota kay Seva and level ni lalikete e kautatumay.
Seva finished one bowl of bull.
And
yes.
Bull of bull.
Yes, bull of cow. And he finished a bull of cow. When he realized the parents that he was hungry and they don't know where he came from.
Okay. Mnuko kita na kena wai kasama kunru tukina na ketena.
And he drink all the sweet and sour drink of that bull, and he realized that his stomach was bucking.
What and he drink that bull.
And he drink that bull, and that bull drank his stomach.
Alright, okay, ndongo. Au via kaivua mekua, ia sambera. Enge kailanga mai, nono mode, enge kailanga mai na mode tukino bilisi, ni sandreta nono somunu o Papa Mela.
I want to tell her no. I want to tell him no. But
I want to tell them no.
It was too late. And Boo realized that Papa Mele stroll and crawl. And he thought that it was a butterfly or a name on his cheek.
Not a name. Yes, okay. Alright, go. Nakamida ni mango ko bulitaka, evoka buna wale na karma da wasoma. Nugumaram.
You know, darling, or my lady.
My lady.
You know that mango or that mango that you're selling. It make my intestine or my lungs or my throat dry out.
My body texture.
My body texture dry out.
Okay. Oili Serena. On render tu baka otangilangalan. Okerea. Mulai saba manda.
You know, Serena, whenever you laugh, you like crying on a occasion. Please, just go and wash all those clothes that selfie there on the floor.
Okay. Você alona tu e na ngone mo tu ki no sakiusa, ngai kaya tu o ya ona tu ni sebu ndendre ka tu itelenga nam tabako e na ngona ni ngona.
Sakiusa was sleeping down, talking to himself
while walking.
Right, and he was telling to himself that he is the champion or the champion of laughing inside a occasion of cover, and he is the champion of Max Lane.
Okay, alright, dongo. Serusi, kira sa komanda na murir tochi ko na. Okay, Serusi kira. Sa komanda ni murir tochi ko pagale na ele wa yasa. Le dambu ka manda mai ni lobo kira.
Hey, Sakiusa. You know, Sakiusa, if your name is Sakiusa, please stop following that package of girls. Because I want you to go and find or search for that firewood that is hard to find to come and make some love.
Wana okay, o just we can't go to put in mataliko. Artu bikila si odi embuto ko deti ko na mena sudu akelera. Gai tombanga o tamay saulang o tadingo temis. Artu bikila si odi embuto ko deti ko na mena sudu akelera. Artu gai tombanga o tamay saulang ko na natanga. Gai tombanga o tamay saulang nindang laki ngunuva mama da tu na sudu ena no longa niangona.
They were searching or they were looking because every time when they look for Kelera's milk, it is finished or disappeared. But they realize his own father, Temesi, his own father, they realized that he was drinking and they found Temesi powdered on his mouth on his own plantation.
Hey, sakon na mulusuk mama na kirumi. Ano na kita yung Temesi?
Right, Temesi. They found him on his own plantation with powdered cream of sugar in his mouth.
So,
mula ka, kami na nasa sasabihin ko, nawala na siyang sumay, nawaliw.
Eh, paano sumayo, junior tuway, chese?
Ay, tuway, muna ka, natanim ko.
Anong galo, panibalo? Wait! Sik man na ng jibi mo. Na. Kau na dorbo nyong yan tadi singgo.
Malo
Iya.
Muna ka
Opo, sawaras.
Sabia
Silvia dorbo ni netasiro ko sabia dorbo ni lau.
Beto na bersami.
Iya.
Era socia semai iraki golon. Imbul na ko. Na wala negara ni tabi. Australia, Amerika, Canada.
Chese, baru tang mantan ni satombo tadi konte Messi, di sangun nubo chukro sudu mama dan longan yang kona. Okay, ngono sa tombokina, gago siya ka ng usur nga kulore na sudu mamata.
naman nang ono gormen.
Kesi ditamas. Cese, lomba manda na sudu.
Ha?
Lomba sudu manda, sudu belum kau. Andre roro na mata sudu.
Serean, tumbulan ako nakak. Wani malan, rumbulan, nagosa.
Iya, dia ada makanan lero mereka.
Bulat ako.
Buka mantan orang kebuka. Nah, betul puna. Rai ekses dalam orang kebuka komen. Right, dusia. Nah. Oke, kira-kira cuma mau saya sebunisa. Saya kira-kira rental semangat nonton bukete. Siapa masa awal tua, elem bukete. Me pute man no musate tumor kira-kira. Me pute man no musate, pa pute.
Perché non bisa soziana na sini pulna kau na bale na bingran.
Momo, mbula tukuno tata angaro ni koko.
Kami tata na su na kuno.
Ara na tumor wana na. Oke, karamanda nonton bilin na koro. Kar. Mode. Isa. Gua long di biro pasta.
Karongnya.
Ada benar kata di gute Messi. So, ay sa malam gute Messi. Garon di kuciko.
Garon di kutelnga.
Iya. Apa kan teori kaya?
And they found Messi on his own plantation drinking that powder of milk.
Ya, metang mo na kan nanti yang bulat talaga eh. Vitale ke mena sudu nang onde se mena sudu nang kasi.
Burtek nai.
Iya, sangka nga mena ngusud sa tabi yang ngusud nga kere. Vitale mo nga itadi ko Messi. Vitale mo nga ke otombo. Dan ramen tambulo chiko tadi ko. Nah, terus apa mau dicese?
Bikin na wakangu kikirau sasa sikumen kono live ni bis na ausbalangi dan kesem tren na mataka same time.
Same place.
Tapi na bis like kina punjes crackers biscuit. Marau tiko.
Mode.